Hi guys! So, Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po dito ay 24 ng December, so Sunday, and it's currently 1 PM pa. 1 PM pa lang. Kaya medyo maliwanag pa sa labas kasi usually nagiging dark na dito mga around magpo-4. Yan, mga 3-ish. Medyo madilim na. Tsaka yung shop ngayon since Sunday ngayon, magsasarado na ng 4 o'clock. At kailangan ko pong pumunta muna ng shopping. Yung gagawin ko ngayon, mag-withdraw ako, bibili ako ng Christmas cards kasi nakalimutan kong bilhan tong mga kapitbahay namin ng Christmas cards kasi medyo uso yan dito ngayon eh. And ayun, tsaka bibili ako ng Christmas crackers. So dito uso din yung Christmas crackers. Yun yung nilalagay nilang decoration doon sa table. So, yun lang yung gagawin ko for today. Nakabili na ako ng mga food for our Christmas dinner. Yung Christmas dinner, yun yung Christmas lunch. Yun yung lunch on the 25th. Tapos, yung Christmas Eve dinner namin, which is yung salubong ng Christmas Noche Buena. Ayun, yun yung nakabili na rin ako ng food. So, medyo baka nalito kayo, no? So, yung Christmas Eve dinner, yun yung mamayang gabi. Tapos, Christmas dinner yung tawag nila, pero lunch po talaga yun eh. So, ang plan namin is magbe-beef kami instead of yung napaka-popular dito na turkey. At nakakaubusan ng turkey, tsaka ang mahal-mahal ng mga turkey. At gusto naman ng asawa ko yung yung beef. So yun yung gagawin namin tomorrow. And ayun, busy na yung shop ngayon. May mga nag-last minute shopping pa. Punong-puno yung car park. And ayun, sobrang busy mga tao. Anyway, so before mag-close sila ng 4 o'clock, kailangan ko munang umalis. And then later on, mga around mga 6 o'clock siguro, magluluto na kami ng food. And I'm not sure, baka di na kami mag-antay ng 12 midnight kasi may bata. Meron kaming Alex, so baka saglit lang kami. I mean, not saglit. I mean, baka, I don't know, maybe 10 na yung pinakamatagal. Like last year, ganun yung ginawa namin. Tapos tulog na kami. So, yun na nga guys. I'll see you later. Dito guys, gumagawas na si Ate Marisa ng Christmas tree. At makikita nyo rito yung finished product na napakaganda naman talaga. So ito naman guys, yung brownie Christmas tree natin. At itong nabili ko, ikaw na yung magde-decorate. Akala ko nga actually nung una naka-decorate na, pero ang kagandahan niyan, parang ikaw na rin yung makaka-experience ng decoration. So meron kang participation kumbaga. At nasa iyo na yan kung anong gusto mong design, pero ginaya ko lang yung nandun sa box. And then you're gonna sprinkle it with ayan, yung mga colorful na yan sprinkles. Tapos yan, mukha naman siyang okay, So ito naman yung candy cane na merong mga Santa, reindeers, ganyan, binili ko lang din yan for decoration purposes. Kasi hindi naman kami mahilig sa candies tsaka sa mga gummies. And then this one is yung lagyan ko lang siya ng battery operated na candle. So again, for decoration lang. And ito na yung aming setup. So sa table namin makikita nyo yung cheese and crackers. And then meron tayong ditong wine. And yung ating napkin na naka-Christmas tree design. Tapos ito naman yung mga cakes. Iba-ibang klaseng cake siya galing Iceland, tsaka macaron. And then meron tayong prosecco. At ito na yung Christmas tree na gawa ni Ate Marisa, finished product. At brownie na ginawa ko. And yan yung ating elegant na setup ng table. Hope you enjoy. At ito naman ang ating food for Christmas. May paella tayo dyan. May pigs in the blanket. Merong salmon. Merong chicken wings, barbecue, chicken, baked chicken, and potato. Hello guys! Merry Christmas! Kasi wala pa akong vlog eh. Merry Christmas! Today is Christmas Day po. And
Tahimik.
galing po kaming, tahimik. Galing po kaming church 9 a.m. Sunday Mass. Ay, Sunday. Monday pa lang ngayon. 9 a.m. Monday Mass. Christmas Day Mass. Pero in fairness, may mga pangilan-ngilang naglalakad dito.
Kapag gumahan mo siguro.
We never know. Pero kadalasan, pero yung mga shops dito sarado na.
Holiday din sila.
Shout out nga pala. Shout out. Kala mo naman.
Shout out nga pala sa Philippines. Merry Christmas.
Maligayang Pasko sa inyo dyan. At sana hindi kayo nilalamig. Hindi malamig ang mga Pasko nyo. Katulad namin, mag-inom.
Hello guys. Tahimik po yung Pasko dito. Walang katao-tao.
Sarado po yung McDonald's.
Kami lang po yung naglalakad.
Sarado din yung KFC.
Ibon lang yung kasama natin.
Oo, free yung mga ibon. Grabe naman yung motor na yun. Sarado po yung town center. 399 until 4 p.m. Ayan, kahapon, ang daming mga nakapark dito. Ngayon, hindi, meron isa. How many books do you have? Oh. How many? Can you count them? Open.
Open.
Open, open, open.
Oh, what's that?
Five, four, three, two.
What is that, Alex?
Oh, wow, Cocomelon.
Babe, I think this is yours.
Wine.
To Alex. Merry Christmas. To Alex.
Oh, Prosecco.
To Alex. Okay. All for you, Alex.
Wow.
That one, Prosecco. To Mommy.
Chocolate.
Oh, this is mine. No more. I think this is closed. You don't want to open it? Look, rip it apart. Alex, come on. What's inside? Oh. What's that?
Oh, not more chocolate.
No, it's not chocolate. It doesn't look like it's chocolate. Alex! Alex, come on! Open, open, open. Look, look. What's that?
Is it Paw Patrol?
Yeah. Oh, it's a puzzle.
Wow.
A puzzle. That's another wrapper. Oh, Ate Joy always give me this.
Calendar.
Yeah. She buys that calendar.
Calendar.
Wow! Another caterpillar! Wow!
What's that? Oh,
For mommy. Oh, look!
wow. My little book of prayers.
That's nice. And you got plenty here, Alex. Master. Alexander.
Master Alexander.
Ate Joy put so many things in here.
Yay! For 2024. Oh, that's me.
Mm,
Mine.
see?
Calendar. Miss Marisa.
Oh, Miss Marisa. Oh, wait, maybe there is name.
Judith.
Here. This one. Is there a name? Maybe that's for Steve. There's no name. This one. There's no name. Oh, Steve. Best wishes.
Oh, Christmas jumper.
Oh, that's yours. Christmas jumper. From your Monito. Monita. Yes.
Birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
This
This is...
because it's birthday too.
Yes. This is your birthday present, Alex. Open it, Alex, because you like
rip it here.
you like to open this
Rip
one,
it here.
don't you?
Rip it here. Rip it here. Whoa.
There you go.
So after namin magbukas ng mga gifts, eto na, nagluluto na kami for our Christmas lunch. At eto na yung aming roast beef at saka yung mga veggies and yung leftover last night. Tapos sinama namin ng potatoes tsaka yung Yorkshire pudding.
Good morning, guys. So Boxing Day na today, which means after Christmas. So holiday pa din, kaya wala akong pasok, pero tomorrow may pasok na ako. At kahapon, masyado kaming busy. So nag-roast beef kami kahapon, tapos meron kaming bisita dito, Pinay as well. Bago lang siya dito sa UK. So wala siyang family. And then invite ko siya over kasi nga malungkot, no, pagka wala kang family tapos ikaw lang mag-isa during Pasko. Meron naman siyang boyfriend pero iba pa rin yung family, di ba? Although yung boyfriend niya British, tapos hindi nga niya pinuntahan eh. So sabi ko, dito ka na lang at yun, mag-celebrate tayo ng Pasko. And then after that, in-invite din kami nung isa naming kaibigan na Pinay. Malapit lang din dito sa bahay. So doon naman kami nag-dinner. At meron pa rin kami mga tira-tira. Ayan, nandyan. Ayan. So, at yung mga tira namin from the other day. Tapos, ano din siya, yung pinuntahan namin for dinner, nagbigay din siya sa amin ng mga pasyaron. So, nagbalot siya. Kaya marami kaming food. Tapos, ngayon, gusto kasi ni Steve mag-breakfast ng sausages, bacon, yan. Tsaka black pudding. Hindi ko alam pa paano ito lutuin kasi first time ko to. Tsaka, hindi ako kumakain na to eh. So, siguro, hindi ko kasi sure kung anong gusto niya. Pero, usually naman, pina-fry lang to, diba? So, baka pina-fry din to. So, mamaya ko na siya lulutuin kasi tulog pa siya. And then, hindi sila naka-prepare lang dito yung mga sausages, bacon, tsaka black pudding, tsaka eggs. And mamaya ko na lang siya lulutuin pagkabangon niya. At actually, maaga kaming nagising. Lalo na si Alex, gising na siya ng 5 o'clock. Tapos hindi na siya bumalik ng tulog. So, medyo puyat-puyat din ako. Pero, during that time, medyo nakakatulog-tulog ako ng konti, panap-nap. So, yun, tired na. Tired pa din. Good thing walang pasok today. And, ayun. So, yesterday, bukas lang kami ng gifts. And, meron pa mga gifts dito sa ilalim. Kasi wala po yung laman. So, itatapon ko din yan. Siguro, tsaka na lang pagka nilikpit na namin yung Christmas tree. Tsaka ko lang tatapon yung mga empty boxes doon na nirap ko. And then, nagbigay pala siya ng gift sa amin, yung friend ko kagabi. So, let's open. Like this, okay? Here, mommy will help you. Look! What's inside? It's Amazon.
Wow.
I think it's Amazon.